morning, everyone. Ugh, my house is such a vibe. So today I'm going to give you guys a quick update in terms of what I've done in my living room so far. But we are also going to paint. There is an accent wall that is bare and has been bare, and I have a vision for it. And I'm going to put up inspo of just like, I'm sure you guys have seen, it's very trendy. They have like the board and batten, I think that's what it's called, walls, where essentially you're creating art with like wood pieces. So I'm gonna attempt to do something like that. Today is just phase one. The phase one is just painting the wall black, and then I do have some tape, so I'm gonna use tape to just kind of map out what I want, so then I can figure out, what size wood I need and all of that stuff. So that's what we're doing. But in the meantime, I can go ahead and give you guys a quick tour or a quick update of my living room, because you've seen a little bit in the backgrounds because I've started to use it to film, but I actually haven't like given you guys a tour of the living room. So let me tell you what I've done so far, and then let you guys know what is to come, because it's not finished. There's some things that I have to do, and then we'll go ahead and paint this wall. So see y'all in a little bit. All right, everyone, so here is my living room. It looks a little lived in, but because I'm living. But let me go in and share with you guys the updates that I have made so far. So first, let's start with my favorite pieces, which is my paintings. Okay, I did these myself, and I will go ahead and insert the clips on how I created these, but I actually found similar pieces on Pinterest, and I was like, oh, this is fun. What I wanted, as you can see, all the walls in my house are the same color. They're just like a off-white neutral color. And so I was trying to figure out, how can I bring in color in this space without actually using color? And so, yeah, the paintings was a good contrast, I think, to the wall. So I added the paintings first. And then the brick that you see is actually wallpaper. It's pill and stick wallpaper that I actually got from Amazon. And so I just went ahead and added that there too. What I like about it, I was a little unsure because I wanted the brick to seem as real as possible. And obviously, you guys, I ran out of wallpaper, so I have more on the way. So we'll add that soon. But yeah, I was struggling with the brick because I knew I wanted it to be a light color to match the neutrals in this space. But I also wanted to seem realistic, and you just never know with some of these pill and stick wallpapers, but I'm actually very pleased with this. It looks pretty good. It looks really like, it kind of looks like the real thing, kind of. So it's not bad. It does what you need to do. And the good thing about using pill and stick is that if I get tired of this, I can just take it down and put up some new wallpapers to give this space like a fresh look. So I think I might do that. Just change it out every season just so that my space looks a little bit different, being that this is like the major wall space with color. But when I put it up, it's kind of giving cabin vibes a little bit, like the whole, just I guess the color scheme. So it will definitely look super nice during the winter time once I add my holiday decor and lights and the fireplace is lit. Like, it's really gonna give a cute little vibe. Okay. One of my favorite things that I got is also these galley wall lights, you guys. So I got two different versions. upstairs in my office, and I will link that video if you haven't seen my office tour. I have a gallery wall light. It's gold, but it's battery operated, and the batteries run out very quickly, especially if you use the light often. What I love about these lights is that that's me. What I love about these lights is they all came separately, but you can use the same remote. So it is remote operated. This is what the remote looks like. And so you can literally, if you turn, the remote powers both of these. There's 3 different light settings. Come on, focus. There's 3 different light settings. You can set the timer. So it's really nice. Come on. Okay, there we go. Yeah. So it's really nice. And then the thing about it is it's actually charger. You power it by the charger. So this is magnetic. Actually, I'm not going to be able to reach up there. I'll try to reach this one. Okay. See how it's a magnet, you guys? Do you see that? Yeah, and so that's the power button if you wanted to do it manually. But you just plug it into the charger and you charge it, and then there's, you know, it's red, tells you it needs more charging, and it turns green when it doesn't. And look at that. It's so easy to like take on and off. So yeah, so super, I absolutely love that. Okay, moving on. Let's talk about these chairs. Oh my goodness, you guys. So I got both of these chairs for $500. Guys, accent chairs are so expensive, and so I knew I wanted something that was a little bit different, a little bit more modern. These of course came from Target. This is the linen, their linen, I forgot what the name of the chair is called, like barrel chair. These came from Target. I'm obsessed with these chairs. I'm obsessed with them. And this pillow, also obsessed with. This came from Home Goods. Okay, so I need you guys to do me a favor. I am on the hunt for another pillow that looks exactly like this. Let me bring you guys closer. This came from Home Goods. This is their Greek key pillow. This is 24 by 24. Again, saw it in Home Goods. It was the last one on the shelf. I looked on the website. It's sold out on the website. If anybody happens to come across this pillow in the store, please, I beg you, please let me know. I will cash up you, send you money for shipping to ship this pillow to me, because I need another one to put it right here, because this pillow is not cutting it. It's just not. I just love the, you know, razzle dazzle that this adds to the space. So yes, looking for this. But yeah, these chairs came from Target, pillow came from Home Goods. Obsessed, like, what's going on? So let me take you guys back here and let me tell you what's going on. The mannequin is temporary. This been here since I moved in. I did not intend for it to stay here, but I like the contrast that it was giving when I had nothing on the wall. This bar stool is also temporary. I just moved it here out of the way because I was like cleaning up and doing other stuff. But this is not going to be here either. What I plan to do here, and I think I mentioned this before in like another video, you guys, I really have the urge to build my own custom furniture. Okay, what I need here and in both of these spaces is almost like a sideboard table, or not a console table, but I need something with cabinets that I can use as extra storage to store, like when I start to change over my decor, you know, from spring to summer or fall or whatever, like Christmas stuff. Like I need a place to really store some of the stuff that's not being used, because I don't really have that much storage in like my place, right? So I want to build my own. I've seen several DIY, everybody uses that Calyx bookshelf to turn into some sort of like cabinet or a side table or whatever. I want to try to do that. So that's what I plan to do. I plan to get 2 of the IKEA Calyx bookshelves, and I'm going to add legs on it. I'm going to add doors on it. Like I know how I want it to look. So stay tuned. That will be a summer project that's coming, but I'm going to build my own furniture. and put it here. And then that way I have a whole bunch of stuff, a whole bunch of cute decor pieces I can decorate on top, because I feel like I don't have a lot of decor really over here, and I don't want to crowd my mantle. So stay tuned, that is coming. Next we have my beautiful fireplace, my marble fireplace. I'm literally, how I'm decorating, I'm pulling colors from the fireplace, which was here previously, so I just really love it. This table you guys have seen before if you have been with me for a while. This came from my previous apartment. It's a shadow box table, and actually the bottom is currently white marble, but if you flip it over it's actually gray, so it's kind of reversible. You can give different looks. I actually like the table. One thing about this space is very intimate and cozy, and so I've been toying with the idea of upgrading this coffee table, but I just have not pulled the trigger yet, only because I think it works right now, and I don't know, my priority is just on other things. But this is it. I don't necessarily want to go into what's on it, because this is temporary decor. Again, this is not done. I just want to give you guys updates on where everything is. And then the couch looks the same, guys. I haven't really done anything to the couch. So yeah, so this is the living room so far. It's coming together, but this is it so far. And this is the wall. So I mentioned that we're going to be painting a wall today. Look at my kitchen. Look, this is going to be a vibe. Okay, imagine this wall being black. This is my accent wall. It's just kind of floating in the middle of the room. So I'm like, let me paint it. Imagine this wall being black. And then like, look at when you walk down off the kitchen. Oh, it's going to be a vibe. Black, and then with the designs on it, the wood boards, it's going to be a vibe. The only thing I need to figure out is if I'm gonna add lighting to this, because when all the other gallery wall lights are on, this has a little bit of a shadow because there's not like a light here. So I just need to figure that out. But this is the project for today. We are about to paint this wall. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, guys, let the record show that I have no idea what I'm doing. Never painted a wall before in my life. So this should be fun. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is the final product. I think it looks kind of sexy if you ask me. I really like the vibe. My siblings were trolling me because of the vent. I got a little paint on the vent in the baseboards in the outlet. But you know what? I can it's fine, guys. I'll fix it. The plastic did absolutely nothing for me. As I was painting, realized the plastic wasn't even, I tried to tape it and realized the plastic wasn't even taped. I don't even know how that happened, but you know, it's fine. So this is matte paint. I got it from Walmart. That is drying, but I thought I would have to go over another coat, but actually it's the way that it's drying, you can't even see the strokes. And I think that's because it's matte paint. So thank God, because I've done enough. I got a little paint on the ceiling, but you know what? It's fine. I have some extra paint for the wall color. So I'll just, once this dries, I'll go and touch up the spots that I messed up. But I think it looks good, y'all. I'm so happy. Yeah, so once it dries, I'm gonna then take my tape and then just do some things with it, or I might decide to do something completely different with this wall. I don't know, but at the very least it's black. That's what I wanted. So I am obsessed. So yeah, so that's all for today, you guys. I will see you all in the next video with another update. Bye.